Imagine you are driving up a steep hill and suddenly your car loses its punch. The engine starts shaking, and you see that dreaded check engine light flickering on your dashboard. This P2151 code is a serious wake-up call because it means your engine control module, or the EECM, has detected a high-voltage condition in the fuel injector group B supply circuit. This code is a generic one, so it can pop up on everything from a Dodge Ram with a Cummins engine to a Mercedes Sprinter or even an Audi. Basically, your injectors have replaced the old carburetors to make your car way more efficient, but they rely on perfect timing and precise electrical signals to do their job. When the voltage in Group B goes too high, the whole balance of fuel delivery is ruined. This is particularly dangerous because it often leads to what we call a lean condition. In simple terms, your engine is getting too much air and not enough fuel, which creates extreme heat inside the cylinders. If you keep driving like this, you are literally risking melting your pistons or causing permanent engine damage. Most of the time, this is actually a physical problem rather than a computer glitch. Think about where those fuel injector wires live. They are tucked right next to the hottest parts of your engine. Over time, that heat makes the plastic wiring harness brittle until it cracks or melts, causing a short circuit. To fix this, you need to start by finding exactly which injectors the manufacturer calls Group B. You might have to pull off a bunch of plastic engine covers just to see them. Look closely at the wiring for any signs of fraying or melted insulation. If you find a bad spot, do not just wrap it in tape. Use some high-quality heat-shrink tube to seal it up right. Also, check the valleys of the engine where the injectors sit. Sometimes water or oil gets trapped there and rots out the connectors. Use your multimeter set to ohms to check for continuity. If you see a high resistance value where it should be near zero, you have found your bottleneck. Keeping your fuel system healthy is the only way to make sure your car keeps pulling its weight for years to come.